If you are in the market for an email sequencing tool, this video will help you pick the right platform to scale your outreach. Today, we'll compare 4 of the most popular tools: Outreach, Apollo, Instantly, and Plenty. Before we compare each tool, here are the key features that you should look for in an email sequencing software: AI-powered sequencing, personalization at scale, deliverability controls, workflow and CRM integrations, sequencing and triggers, channel support, and prospecting data. Let's start with Plenty. Plenty is an AI sales engagement platform built for SDRs and outbound teams who want to scale their cold outreach across every stage with AI. Plenty's AI cadences give SDRs a smarter way to build and run sequences. Instead of forcing the same standardized process on every account, AI creates tailored strategies for engagement. AI can build a complete cadence with unique messaging for each prospect based on your goal and tone. AI can also draft cold emails, follow-ups, and nurture steps using inbuilt or custom prompts. It can personalize messages at scale with AI variables, pulling in company news, hiring trends, or funding updates. Finally, AI can automatically nurture unresponsive prospects with zero manual effort. That means every touchpoint feels relevant, every account feels prioritized, and every conversation moves you closer to the pipeline. List building is no longer a bottleneck. With Plenty's AI list builders, SDRs can build lists using a simple English prompt like find B2B SaaS companies, hiring SDRs, expanding to APAC using Salesforce. The AI taps into a database of 700 million plus contacts, scores accounts based on your prompt, and shows you the reason for each score. No more guesswork. It even enriches your ideal account list with verified emails and phone numbers using a waterfall approach. Plenty supports every level of personalization. Manual personalization with merge tags, placeholders, snippets, or dynamic templates. Visual personalization with images and videos that make outreach stand out. And AI personalization at the prospect level, pulling LinkedIn summaries, posts, and past experiences. And at the account level, showing tech stack, funding, hiring trends, and more. Reps simply pick the insights that they want to use, and AI drafts a completely personalized email for them. Every email feels custom built without eating into calling time. Plenty also makes sure your emails land in inboxes and not spam. It sets up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for you, warms up your mailboxes, and maintains deliverability with inbox rotation, throttling, and spam checks. Custom tracking domains and safeguard features keep your sender reputation strong. Plenty's AI playbooks makes your outreach adaptive. Instead of static sequences, prospects move to the right flow based on behavior. Someone who opens or replies moves into high-touch follow-up. Cold leads enter a nurture sequence. A demo request or CRM lead gets placed in the right outbound flow instantly. AI even recommends the next best step based on engagement patterns, reply sentiment, and performance, while reps stay in full control. With Plenty, managers can set goals, assign targets, and track rep progress in real time. You get dashboards that show activity across channels like emails, calls, LinkedIn, text, and WhatsApp. Sequence-level insights reveal which steps are working, where prospects drop off, and which campaigns book the most meetings. And finally, CRM integrations. Plenty connects natively with Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and Zoho. Engagement data syncs both ways. CRM workflows trigger sequences, and reps can execute outreach without ever leaving the CRM. No more context switching and no more manual data entry. Plenty is the AI sales engagement platform that multiplies SDR capacity. Unlike traditional sales engagement platforms that focus on sales productivity and more activities, Plenty automates the busy work across list building, research, personalization, sequencing, and CRM updates. So reps spend every minute engaging more account and generating more pipeline. Next, Outreach. Outreach is an enterprise-focused sales engagement platform built for large sales teams. It helps reps manage email, phone, and social touchpoints within structured cadences, and its Salesforce integration is a major strength. It supports personalization at scale with templates and variables and provides detailed analytics on engagement. But here's what's missing. Outreach doesn't include built-in deliverability features like warm-up, and personalization lacks the AI-driven cadence flexibility available in other platforms. That's why Outreach is best suited for large enterprises with Salesforce-heavy workflows, but it comes at a cost. Apollo combines a massive prospecting database with email engagement. Sales teams can find, filter, and enrich leads all in one place, making it a strong choice for data-driven prospecting. But here's what's missing. Apollo lacks advanced deliverability features like inbox rotation and warm-up. Its personalization tools are limited compared to dedicated sequencing platforms, and AI-driven customization is not as advanced. Instantly is built for cold email deliverability at scale. It offers warm-up, inbox rotation, bounce protection, and unlimited accounts, letting you send high volumes while protecting your domain. But here's what's missing. Instantly is email only. It doesn't support calls, LinkedIn, or SMS. Personalization is lightweight with no AI cadence logic. Reporting is also limited, making it harder to manage at scale. And while it has its own CRM add-on, it lacks deep integrations with Salesforce or HubSpot. To summarize, Outreach is best for enterprise-scale Salesforce-heavy teams. Apollo is best for prospecting-first workflows. Instantly is best for deliverability and sending volume at low cost. But if you want the best all-in-one balance of AI, personalization, deliverability, automation, and multi-channel sequencing, Clenty is a clear #1 solution. So if you're looking to scale outreach without sacrificing personalization or deliverability, Clenty is hands down the strongest choice for modern sales teams. Book a demo today.